G'day everyone, Andrew here, Real 4x4 Adventures. I'm coming to you from the back of my Landcruiser. I've got my new little addition just over my left shoulder here. It's a Ridge 4x4 camping kitchen version 1. So this is the option there that does not have the sink, and the fridge sits in the top, like a tray sort of setup, versus the other one where it's strapped down on top. Now, in these COVID times, it does need to be delivered somewhere where it can be taken off the truck in a pallet form. So mine went through to the TNT distribution centre up here in Brisbane. It was a piece of cake to pick it up. It's packaged really well. We're going to pop it into the back of the Landcruiser here. Now you'll see there is a cage at the back. I'm not sure whether I'll keep that, whether I'll have to modify that a bit, but that's part of the install fun. So I'm going to open this up and get started with it. Welcome back. So the kitchen slide is now installed in the back of the car. There she is. Fits absolutely perfectly. Build quality is amazing. Now, being a 100 series Landcruiser with a tailgate, I did have to pack the back of the unit up just a little bit to make sure that all the slides will clear the tailgate. But yeah, she all clears now, which is great. I have kept the cage in the back, which I'll cover in a second. But let's have a look at it. So it does have latches on each side, so just click on those. There she comes. And it does lock there, so if you're facing downhill, you're not going to have an issue with it closing up behind you. There it goes, solid as. Again, two latches, so not a one-hand operation. Now it does click there halfway, so again, if you are facing downhill a little bit, you can pull it out just for that little part there with the chopping board section. Or with press of those again, pull it all the way out, and again, fully locks. And then the last one, I still do have the plastic on the windbreak for the hot plates, but there she is. It does come out a fair bit there, and you've got underneath here, you've got the little feet which are held together or held in place so they shouldn't move around while you're traveling, and then drop them, and it's just a simple twist and then turn to lock it down. There we go. There's also a couple of little bases for the legs, so if you're in sand there, it'll sit quite nicely. So there we have it. Again, it's made exceptionally well. Really impressed with the build quality. It also comes with 4 little fridge tie-down points, and so you can pick your spots there. If you want now for my car, let's open it up again. For my car, the spacing there that they provide, so over here, didn't work in with how I was placing mine, so I drilled 2 holes and I've put that in, no worries at all. So the install was quite easy. Worst case scenario, you may have to drill a couple of little holes like I did, but again, she's built exceptionally solid. The drawers do not have a quick release, so when you're installing it, you will need to have something propping it up, or in someone, well, no one's going to hold it, but yeah, something propping it up there while you're working on it. Just quickly with the cage, so I ended up cutting out the middle, which also now gives me access to a fridge when it's in there, but also being a 100 series and having the tailgate there with the lock, if anything ever falls, I can access it from the back. But all in all, really happy with the unit. Can't wait to get out on the tracks and see how it goes, but really happy. That's the Ridge 4x4 kitchen slide version 1. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Cheers.